this is Mokshali Sangvi and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and safe at home. So guys, in today's video I have created this look using only 5 products. Yes guys, only 5 products. You guys can create this look within 5 to 10 minutes and you are good to go for any function or any occasion. I will tell you all the details step by step so you guys won't miss out anything. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Yes, so guys, I have nothing on my face. I have just applied a moisturizer and a lip balm, and now we are going with the foundation, and I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 238 Rich Tan. I'll just show you guys. I'll just take a pump of it. I'll just apply on the dotting motion so it evenly spreads everywhere, and I'll get the coverage as well. It gives you a nice coverage, and if you want to get a higher coverage, then you guys can build it up. Under my eyes also. Guys, this foundation is a very nice foundation. It is affordable as well, and this gives you good coverage. Don't forget your neck area, so your neck and your face looks even. I'll give you all the products link in the description box below, so please check it out if you want to purchase. After setting the face, we are going with the compact powder, and I am using MAC Studio Fix compact powder in the shade NC42. This is how the shade looks, and what I'll do is I'll just take a stippling brush and run it all over my face. Guys, what a compact powder does is it sets your face and it gives you a long lasting coverage, and your makeup and your base doesn't move at all. So my base is all set, and you guys can see how seamless it looks. So guys, we are moving with the next product, and that is a blush. Yes, a blush, and for that we are using a lipstick. Yes, we are using a lipstick for a blush, and I am using Sugar Cosmetics 02 Breaking Bare shade. This is how the shade looks, guys. This is how the shade looks, guys. It is very pink tone lipstick, and what I'll do is I'll just take onto my finger a small amount into my finger, and I'll just rub it on my cheeks. I'll just take a beauty blender and just run it all over my cheek so it looks more even and blended. I'll just blend it over here as well. Guys, now here comes the trick. What you guys have to do is you guys just have to take a small amount onto your beauty blender and just run it through your nose. Yes, so once we are done with the blush cum lipstick, we are going with the another product. Guys, I'm not a kajal person, and I use liner also very less, so I'll just take the mascara because it opens up your eyes and it enhances your look. So I'm using this mascara from Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. This is how it looks. What I'll do is you guys can see the difference, right? It literally open up your lash. On the another yes, you guys can see the difference, right? How it has opened up my lash and it has make my look so nice. I'll just apply on the lower lash line as well. Now here comes a trick. What you guys have to do is you guys have to take the same wand which you have applied for the mascara, and then you have to run it on your brows just very lightly. You guys can see how your look has totally changed by doing your brows. And the next product is a highlighter. Yes, it's my absolute favorite, and I am using this highlighter of Makeup Revolution. It has 4 shades, guys. And I'm using this second shade right. Wow, you guys can see the glow. This highlighter is a total bomb. On the bridge of your nose, on your temples and forehead, and the cupid's bow. You guys can see the glow, guys. And the last but not the least, my total and absolute favorite is a lipstick. And yes, we are using the same shade which I have used for the blush. And yes, it is of Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 02 Breaking Bad. And I'll just apply it on my lips. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. It's my first video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon so you will always be notified when a new video comes. See you until next time. Goodbye.